Hey, I'm just sitting here enjoying my ultrasonic oil diffuser. I've got 6 essential oils here. Now, the brand did send these to me. I'm going to give you my honest opinion. Oils and the diffuser are sold separately, but I'm just going to do one video here so you can see how they all work together. What I can tell you is in each bottle, you're getting 10 milliliters. Now, for like a diffuser, you only need a couple of drops for like this entire diffuser. If you want to make the scent stronger, then you can put more drops in, but I always start with a little and then add more if I need it. The essential oils obviously are great to put into your diffuser, but you can also make soap with these. You can make lotions and sprays. You can make candles, all kinds of great and fun things that you can do. Oh, that smells absolutely amazing. This is a spiced pumpkin. Not very strong at all, but I'm telling you, it reminds me of the fall. I don't know what they did to formulate these, but the first 2 that I've opened up are on point. Like, they smell really good. So to start off, right here is the light button. So we've got all kinds of different lights. It's just gonna cycle you through. I'm not going to go through all of them. So you've got some options there, some blue, purple, green, etc. So there is a timer on here, so you can set it to go for 60 minutes and shut off, or 2 hours or 3 hours. You can go ahead and turn the mist on. That's going to get it pumping. And then right here is the high and low button. So we're going to go ahead and put 3 drops of the spiced pumpkin in here, and it comes out nice and slow, so you don't have to worry about dumping the whole thing in there. Right away, I've got that spiced pumpkin smell. The mist is that, it's just a mist. It's not gonna make everything wet in the room. This is a great little package, great items here. I really like it, so definitely check these out. That's my quick review. Thanks for watching.